Your competitors aren't guessing anymore. They're using data to make faster, smarter, and more profitable decisions every single day. The question isn't whether data analytics matters, it's whether you know how to drive it. Raw data means nothing without the right architecture, governance, and analytical framework behind it. Broken pipelines, poor data quality, and zero self-service capability aren't just inefficiencies, they're costing your organization decisions it can never get back. The Data Analytics and Business Intelligence Essentials course covers analytics foundations, warehouse and lakehouse architecture, ETL pipelines, data quality, dashboard design, A/B testing, real-time streaming, embedded analytics, and an end-to-end BI capstone. 5 modules, 1 complete certification. BI professionals who master data analytics don't just report numbers, they shape strategy at the highest level. Visit our website and enroll today, because in business, data is power, and this is how you own it.